Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the basic difference between the JDK, JRE and JVM. So if you observe the JDK architecture, JDK is the combination of JRE plus development tools. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit, which provides a development environment to the programmers. That means the programmers can use the JDK to develop the Java application and as well as to execute the Java programs. It is a physical existency. It is the combination of JRE plus development tools. Development tools are used to compile the Java program as well as to run the Java programs. For example, Java C, Java, Java OP commands are the Java development tools. So next coming to the JRE. So JRE is the combination of JVM plus libraries. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, which provides a runtime environment to the customers. That means customer only use the JRE to execute the program. So customer can only execute the program which is provided by the Java developer. So customer cannot edit the program or cannot develop the Java application. Customer only execute in the already developed Java application. It is a physical existed and it is the combination of JVM plus libraries. So then coming to the JVM. So JVM is nothing but a Java virtual machine. It contains the class loaders and memory management and also executable engine. So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is a specification which provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be converting into machine code. It does not physically existed. So whenever user developing the Java application, so user need to save the Java class with the extension of .java. Whenever compile the Java program using Java C command, it will convert the .java file into .class file. .class file contain the bytecode. So then the interpreter will convert the bytecode into machine level code and finally we are getting the object code. It is the output of the programmer. If you see this is the .java file. So if you see this is the .java file, we can understand the Java statements. But whenever compile this Java program, it will converting into the .class file. So this .class file contain the bytecode. So bytecode we cannot understand. The JVM will convert this bytecode into machine code. So here the machine code is the form of 1 and zeros. Now I am going to show you the physical existence of JDK and JRE. Just to go to the C folder. So C drive. In the C drive, just go to program files and go to the Java folder. Here we can see the JDK. So JDK is the physical existence. So if you go to the JDK, so we can see the JRE plus development tools. So Java, Java C. So Java C, which is used to compile the Java program. Java command is used to run the Java program. So JDK is the combination of JRE plus development tools. If you see the JRE is the combination of JVM and libraries. If you see here, we can see the so many libraries. For example, r3.jar. So this jar contain all the library files to execute the programs, and also we can see the deployment and different Java WS. All this it contains the. So JRE is nothing but a JVM plus libraries. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.